Are you looking for the best travel suit, or even better yet, the best suit that money can buy? We'll find out what astronauts, a suit, and MIT have in common in our honest review of Ministry Supply. Let's check it out. Today we're talking about Ministry of Supply, the clothing brand created in one of the most unlikely places, MIT. Yeah, that MIT. But can these nerds actually make clothes? And by the way, nerds are really cool these days if you didn't know. Do they look good? How about you be the judge? Now, the worst thing with technical clothing is it looks like technical clothes most of the time. They don't look like the real thing. Now, I love you, Lululemon ABC pants, but I'm looking at you here. This suit is beautiful. It's well made, it's got a classic slim style, and nothing screams, I'm really technical wear. One thing you can't tell from the video that you're seeing right now is how lightweight and soft the suit really is. It's incredibly comfortable. Now, I wouldn't mistake them for wearing sweatpants around the house, but they're super comfortable. I'd say the slacks are even more comfortable than, don't tell Lululemon this, but the Lululemon ABC pants. And that's pretty amazing. Now, before I go any further, here's a pro tip for all you guys watching. Always get your suit tailored. I don't care if it costs $100 or $5,000. You're seeing a suit here in this video that has not been tailored at all. It's exactly the way it came from Ministry of Supply. The pants come a little bit long, and they're designed for tailoring, but they're still finished at the bottom. Some pants that come to you are not finished at the bottom. And the sleeves almost always need to be tailored to get that finished, clean look. So pro tip, no matter the price, get your suits tailored. It will make them look so much more expensive. Besides being a more comfortable suit, what makes this suit so amazing? Well, the thing that always drives me crazy about suits is how the heck am I supposed to travel with them? I feel like an idiot bringing a garment bag on the plane. Hey, Southwest, could you please put this in the first class? Oh wait, there is no first class. And have you ever tried to fold a suit jacket? It's practically impossible. The Ministry of Supply suit is wrinkle resistant for this very reason. Now, one difference between maybe what you've seen with clothes like Mizzen and Main is when you first bring them out, they may look a little bit wrinkled, but they're actually designed to release wrinkles with your body temperature. Here's what they have to say. High poly fiber releases wrinkles in normal body temperature range. So a few minutes of wear will restore the original wrinkle-free drape. That's pretty amazing. Here's how it looks after I put it in my backpack. Now, on top of that, this suit is machine washable. You read that right. You can wash your Ministry of Supply suit in the washing machine. Now, don't worry, you can also dry clean it if you need. And they also say that their high-tech suiting is designed to outperform classic wool in every situation. And I have to agree. It's more comfortable, it's cooler, it's wrinkle resistant, and you can machine wash it. That is awesome. I tried out the Velocity suit from Ministry of Supply. Ministry of Supply also has the Kinetic suit. I tried out the Velocity suit, that's what you've been seeing, but they also have what's called the Kinetic suit. Ministry of Supply has a great comparison tool on their website to show the two different variations of the suit. And the way I see it is the Velocity suit is a bit more formal looking, and I'd venture to say that Kinetic is a bit more comfortable, but also looks a little bit more technical. The biggest deal killer to me on this was the pockets. I don't care for the pocket design on the Kinetic suit whatsoever, and it was really a deal killer for me. The Velocity suit simply looks like a suit, and it has all the great properties of a great suit, but it's more comfortable and easier to clean. Now, the Ministry of Supply suits are more expensive, but that is exactly why we created We Tried It. We know there's a lot of great products out there. We know there's a lot of products that are claiming to be something that they're not. But if you're looking to buy one suit that you can wear year-round, travel with, and not have to worry about it being wrinkled, or how do you travel with it, or how do you clean it, I would not hesitate to recommend the Ministry of Supply Velocity suit. Pair it with one of their Apollo shirts, or I'm wearing Mizzen and Main in these videos here. But it's a great suit that can be worn in a variety of different situations. It's super comfortable, you'll look good, and more importantly, you'll feel good. And if you feel good, you look good. At least that's what I tell my almost 4-year-old boy now. But I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions or comments about this, or any of our other products that we reviewed here recently, or maybe you even have something that you want us to review, please let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like this video and hit subscribe. We love bringing to you great products like this. So please like this video. It's as simple as that. The more people that watch and share these videos, the more that we can create. It's really that simple. We hope you have a great day, and we hope to see you real soon.